Hi! I'm back! Here at Adri Skin PH in Quezon City. Ready na ulit kami ni Doc to start my pampering session. Perfect timing talaga ngayong papalipit ng Pasko. Deserve natin alagaan ang sarili. Syempre, ang first treatment ko today, Exilis para sa skin tightening ng underarms. Ang gaan ng session at ang bilis. Perfect boost ngayong holiday season. Deserve natin to mga mamshi, lalo na magpapasko. Deserve natin magpapayat ng arms. After that, diretso naman tayo sa underarm ko. Sa next video, si Doc naman magbibigay ng details kung paano nakakatulong ang whitening treatment.
Okay, so we're using one of the newest lasers. This is from the Alma Laser Company. It's called the Alma Harmony Hybrid. And we're doing what's called the Clear Bright.
Clear bright.
Clear Bright. Okay, so it's the underarm Clear Bright treatment. So, basically, pang-brighten ng any part of the body. Today, we're doing it for your underarms. Okay? Alright, so we're gonna start. So the tip is very cold. That's the only thing that you feel. Hindi mo feel yung pitik ng laser. Okay? So it's one of the most comfortable lasers for whitening. Okay? You ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Oo nga, Doc. Walang pain.
Lamig lang.
Malamig lang siya.
Paano yun? No pain, no gain.
No pain siya, guys. Love it.
For whitening.
For whitening. Ayan. Nag-like ko ng agad siya. Yung titingnan ko. Bawal pala tingnan. Excited. Thank you, Adri Skin PH. Always a great experience. Located in Quezon City. Highly recommended.